Japanese addresses have unique format. The name of the prefecture, similar to state, will be written first. This is followed by the name of the district or city. The name of the street and the number of the house or building will follow. The postal code, that is, 郵便番号, will be written at the end. The following is an example if you wish to give your overseas address in Japan. 私のオーストラリアでの住所は、オーストラリア、ニューサウスウェールズ、ノースシドニー、ジェームズストリート、15番です。Which means, my address in Australia is number 15, James Street, North Sydney, New South Wales, Australia. In this sentence, での is made of two particles, particle で and particle の. Particle で is a location marker. Particle の is a possessive marker. The word 住所 means address. 番 is a suffix for a number. If your postal code in Japan is 103-2794, you can say 郵便番号は103-2794です。A particle の is spoken to say the combinations of numbers. That is a series of numbers.